and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to build um a giant fireworks show. And you might have checked out our last version, but this is gonna be the advanced version. So first, just start out by building giant towers. You don't need to connect them or anything. Just start by building giant towers. Remember, you can pause the video anytime if you want extra time to do what we're doing. You can pause it anytime if you want. Then at the end, at the top of each tower, put a dispenser and put it in whatever direction you want it to be. Oh my god, it's a screenshot. I didn't even take that screenshot. And also remember to smash that subscribe button. It's only 0.01% of you guys are smashing that subscribe button. And I'm really sad thinking about it. And I'd really appreciate if you smash the subscribe button. When you're done, make sure you fill all your dispensers with fireworks. Make sure that colors, if you want it to be for colors, but if you don't want it to be colors, just you can put any colors you want. It doesn't really matter. Okay, guys, when you're done, connect all the redstone, connect all of them, and make them all connected with redstone dust. I'm gonna be pausing my video because I'm gonna be making this too, and I don't want to show you the exact whole thing, but you probably get the image of it. So just a reminder, make sure your towers are all the same height, because redstone can't really go up. So connect all the that's why I had to do this. I can't just keep them up there because redstone can't really go up like that. See? So make sure all your towers, all your redstone are all in the same level. Next, after you're done, you don't really want to show that you used redstone. So on the back, just make like a gigantic connection. I'll be showing you how. So this is so hard. Behind them, like this, and also from the other side, exactly block exactly behind the dispenser. Do this, and then connect them like this. Also, you connect them later in the video, so make sure, like, I don't know, just make sure they're like connectable, and make sure they all connect into one platform. Connecting to a giant strip. Okay, then connect them from the back like this, all the way to the end of their line for every single one. Okay, and do this for every single one. Then make another layer past the layer where the redstone line reached, like this, and then you need a lever. Place the lever somewhere here, like here, and then connect them. If you can't really connect them, make like a few different levers. I don't know exactly if one lever can make. Okay, okay, that works. Okay, guys, so now just flick your levers and watch and enjoy. And also, if you want to check out how mines work, remember to go check out um ultimate best firework show in the world. It's a short. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. Like, subscribe video, and bye.